Hello everyone, this is Rambuyon Jhopete presenting to you International Standard Book Number System or ISBN. ISBN, created in 1972 as the first edition of International Standards Organization or ISO standard 2108. An ISBN is essentially a product identifier used by publishers, booksellers, libraries, internet retailers, and other supply chain participants for ordering, listing, sales records, and stock control prices. It has two formats, the ISBN 10 and ISBN 13. ISBNs are calculated using a specific mathematical formula and include a check digit to validate a number. A necessary requirement for selling physical books through booksellers, wholesalers, and distributors is the assignment of unique ISBN numbers for each title and a corresponding barcode symbol on the back cover. ISBN identification is a global standard to uniquely identify individual titles and formats. Proper identification yields benefits, efficient payment, and supply chain processing. Each country has a designated ISBN agency to manage assignments and promote the standards. ISBN 10. The 10-digit ISBN format was developed by the International Organization for Standardization (ISO) and was published in 1970 as International Standard ISO 2108. The 9-digit ISBN code can be converted to a 10-digit ISBN by prefixing it with a 0 digit. ISBN 10 was used until the end of 2006, a format that is also 10 digits long. Its weight is 2 up to 10. Now, the anatomy of ISBN 10, do not memorize the numbers or the arrangement of the dashes. Now, here, group identifier is used to identify the country or region. It is 1 to 5 digits length. Here, the group identifier is 0. The publisher identifier represents the publisher of the book. It can be 7 digits length. Here, the publisher identifier is the 545. The title identifier represents the edition of the book. This can be up to 6 digits length. Here, the title identifier is 01022. Check digit is used to check the accuracy of the ISBN and be calculated using the first 9 digits in the ISBN. Here, the check digit is always at the rightmost corner of the code, and here the check digit is 5. Now, solving the check digit using the ISBN 10 format. Now, we have already our example here. Now, for finding the check digit, we must imagine it without a check digit. Now, ISBN without check digit is 0545010222, and its weight is 0 is 10, 5 is 9, 4 is 8, 5 is 7, 0 is 6, 1 is 5, 0 is 4, 2 is 3, and 2 is 2. Now, multiplying these and adding the products, the sum of product is equals to 127. Now, dividing 127 over 11 using a manual method of division is 11 remainder 6. We will now be focusing on the remainder. Minusing 6 with 11, 11 minus 6 equals to 5. Therefore, the check digit is 5. Now, ISBN 13 replaced the ISBN 10 format. ISBNs were 10 digits in length up to the end of December 2006, but since the 1st of January 2007, they now always consist of 13 digits. It is a format that is 13 digits long. Its weight is only 1 and 3, no other values. Now here, the anatomy of ISBN 13, prefix element always in 3 digits and always in the beginning in 978 or 979. Registration group identifies the particular country, geographical region, or language area participating in the ISBN system. It is 1 to 5 digits length. Now here, registration group is 92. Registrant element identifies the particular publisher or imprint. This is up to 7 digits length, and the registrant element in this example is 95055. Publication element identifies the particular edition and format of a specific title. This is up to 6 digits length. Here, the publication element is 02. The check digit, final single digit that mathematically validates the rest of the number. Here, our check digit is 5. Now, solving the check digit using the ISBN 13 format. Here we have our example, and as you notice, the weight for each code is 1s and 3s repeatingly. Now, as we multiply it and we find our products, we will now add these products in which sum of product is 125. Now, we must think of a number for 125 that is closest to be a multiple of 10. Here in this example, we can think of as 5. For 125 plus 5 is equals to 130, and 130 is a multiple of 10. Hence, the check digit is 5. Now here, a sample problem, we will be using the ISBN 10 format, and our solution is for finding the check digit. Now, as we know now the weight of each code, we will now multiply them, and as we find the products, the sum of products in this example is 237. Now, 237 over divided by 11 is equals to 21 remainder 6. And we will use 6 as 11 minus 6 is equals to 5. And 5 is our check digit. Now, in the sample problem, we will be solving using the ISBN 13 format. But first, how to convert ISBN 10 to ISBN 13. This is easy by adding the 978 or 979 in the beginning of the code. In ISBN 13, hence, is 978-088-743-015. Now, we will be solving also for its check digit. Now, as you can see, we already know the weight in ISBN 13 format is only at 1s and 3s, and after we have found the product, we will add all of this, and the sum of product is 108. Now, since it is in ISBN 13 format, we must think of a number that is closest to be a multiple of 10 when added to 108. For 108 plus 2 is equals to 110, and 110 is a multiple of 10. Hence, 2 is our check digit. Now, here in our another sample problem, we will be using the ISBN 13 format. And the problem here is finding the missing digit in ISBN 978-971-655, unknown value 076. Here we have, as you can see, we have our check digit, so we'll be finding only the single missing digit. Now, as we know, the ISBN 13 format is only weight is in 1 and 3 repeatingly. And as we find the products, the sum of products is equals to 122 plus 3x, since we have not yet found the missing digit. Hence, since the check digit is 6, 10 minus x is equals to 6, and x is equals to 4. Now, using this value of x, 122 plus 3 times 4 over 10 is equals to 134 divided by 10. And the answer is 13 remainder 4. Now our answer here is 4. Hence, the complete code is 978-971-655-4076. Now, to verify that this is correct, we will be using 4 as in this equation. 10 minus 4 is equals to 6. Since our check digit is 6, therefore, our solution is correct. Now, thank you for watching. This video is presented by Rambuyon Jhopete.